Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to revise the chapter A Shelter So High. So, here few question answers we will revise today. Which of the following place is a cold desert? Manali, Ladakh, Nainital, Srinagar. Hope you have read the chapter and we will see whether our answer is correct. Yes, it is the correct answer. Some old houses in Srinagar have a special window which comes out of the wall known as Lekha, Donga, Dab, Mehrab. Yes, it is the correct answer, Dab. Now, next question is the carving on the ceiling of houseboat and big houses in Srinagar is called motif, panel, khatamband, mehrab. Let us check if our answer is correct. We are going for the mehrab. It is the wrong answer. And this is the ceiling. Okay. And now we will try again. One by one. This again is the wrong answer. This way you can go also, children. That's why I am first trying all the other answers. And this is the correct answer. Khatam Band. This is the carving on the ceilings. Okay. Now next question. Which of the following is not a type of house? Dab, Donga, houseboat, Ribo. As you remember, just now we have answered this. So let us check. First, you know the answer is Dab, but we will just check. Okay, this is our next question. What is shikara? Wool, pashmina shawl, a fruit of Srinagar, houseboat in Srinagar. We all know shikara is houseboat in Srinagar. But we will just go for a wrong answer, pashmina shawl, and then we will see, okay, here it is not showing us the solution. I thought they will show you the solution so that we can see the picture also. No problem. We will go for the correct answer, houseboat, and it is the correct answer. Our next question is, so here we have gone through the short notes of this chapter, but today I want to revise it with you all so that you can prepare well for your evaluation 2 exams. And here we have Changpa. They are tribes living on the mountains. They are always on the move with their goats and sheep. They get all that they need from them: milk, meat, skin for tents, and wool for coats and sweaters. They graze their goats at higher and colder places so that the goats have more and softer hair fur. The sheep and goats are the life and livelihood and treasure of Changpa. Rebo, the big cone shaped tent where the Changpas live, is called Rebo. It is as big as a room in big flats. Hope you all understand. Go by the term. These are all the new terms coming in this chapter. Lekha. It is the place where the Changpas keep their sheep and goats. The walls of Lekha are made up of stones. Cold desert. It is a high, dry, and flat area. It gets very little rainfall. There will be high snow capped mountains, example Leh and Ladakh. Here, children, whenever we are talking about the high or height, That means we are taking the height from the sea level. So sea level is taken as the lowest point or the zero, and then we calculate the height of anything, whether it is a mountain or a place or anything. Next is the Pashmina wool. It is a special wool which is collected from the goats which are found on a very high altitudes. It is very thin. The weavers weave this wool by hand to make the world famous Pashmina shawls. A Pashmina shawl is as warm as 6 sweaters. Donga, it is a special boat in river or a lake which is just like a house with different rooms for the people to live in. It is most common in Kashmir. Then we have give reason sort of questions. Changpas graze their goats at higher and colder places. Changpas graze their goats at higher and colder places so that the goats have more and softer hair, fur. Why? Because as there will be more and more of the winter or the cold, the hair will grow on the goats to keep them warm. So, more and more softer hair and the fur they will be having, because these animals, they God has made in such a way to them that they have thick fur to save them from the winters or the very cold. It is difficult to breathe at Changthang. It is difficult to breathe at Changthang because it is a height of 5,000 meters and the oxygen level is there less. Why oxygen level is there less, children? Here I would like to explain you that oxygen molecules are heavier, so they remain at the lower level as they cannot go high. That's why the level of the oxygen on at a very much height is less, and in the lower level, as the oxygen molecules are heavier, heavy things will remain at the bottom only, no, and the lower levels only. So that's why oxygen level is higher in the lower places, and its level or the content or the amount of oxygen is less at a very high altitude. People in Leh dry fruits and vegetables in summer. People in Leh dry fruits and vegetables in summer to store them for winter. Means they are keeping. Why they are storing in summer? They are not going to eat it in summer. We know that dry fruits are warm. They give warmth and energy. So dry fruits are stored by them during the season of summer, and then they use it in the winters, because during the winters there are so much snow capped trees, mountains and the areas, so fresh fruits and vegetables they will not get. Houses in mountains have sloping roof. Houses in the mountains have sloping roof so that the ice can slide off. If not, the ice will melt on flat roof and will lead to seepage in the house. Why? Because the ice water will get collected on the roof and then it will go in the walls. That is called as the seepage. That's why sloping roofs are there, so that when there is snowfall, the ice is coming on the roof and then it will slide down. Each family of Changpas put a special mark on their animals. Each family put a special mark on their animals to differentiate from the animals of each other. Goats and sheep are the only treasure of the Changpas. Goats and sheep are the only treasure of the Changpa because they are the life and livelihood of Changpas, because they eat them, they sell them, they get their earning from them. So that is why it is called as the livelihood. They get everything they need from them, like meat, milk, skin for tent, and wool for coats and sweaters. You can pause the video, you can mute the video, you can learn the question answers as if you require. Now here is one word type of question. The tribe which lives in the mountains of Changthang, this you are going to enter yourself because this same thing I have discussed with you earlier also. a special type of boat found in Srinagar, beautiful carving on the ceiling of a houseboat like a jigsaw puzzle, big conical tent where the Changpas live, place near the rebo where the animals are kept, the world famous woolen shawl. Now, mark the route traveled by Gaurav Jani from Mumbai to Leh in the India political map. This you can do to enhance your mapping skill. By doing this, you will learn the different states through which he traveled. You can color them differently, mark and color the sea and Indian Ocean with light blue color. This is just a fun filled activity. Okay, children? So prepare well this chapter for today and take care of yourself. Bye bye.